In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Zoho book subscription. Renewing your subscription is an essential task to ensure uninterrupted access to Zoho's powerful accounting tools, and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, let's start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Zoho Books homepage. Enter your login credentials and click on the Sign In button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the starting point for managing all your financial needs. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you'll need to do is locate and click on the subscribe button. Typically, you'll find this button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and this will take you to the subscription management page, where you can view details about your current plan and explore any updates or changes you might want to make. On the subscription management page, your next step is to click on the upgrade plan option. Even if you're not upgrading per se, but just renewing your current plan, this option leads you to the page where you can handle the renewal process. Don't worry, selecting this won't automatically change your plan. It's just a way to proceed with reviewing or renewing your subscription options. As you proceed, you will be directed to a new page where you can select a plan according to your needs. Whether you want to keep your current plan or explore other options, this choice is vital. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on the upgrade button. After selecting the upgrade option, you'll see the continue button. Click on it to confirm your chosen plan and move forward in your renewals process. This step doesn't immediately finalize anything, but simply ensures that your selected choices are now ready for final confirmation. Next, let's verify the selections made by confirming them. So go ahead and click on the confirm button to proceed. This means you're satisfied with the plan choice and ready to enter payment information. On the next screen, you will need to input your billing details. Make sure you provide accurate and up-to-date information to avoid any issues with processing the payment. After you've done this, enter your payment details as well. This could be your credit card or any payment method you prefer to use for Zoho services. Finally, after checking that all the information is correct, click on the Make Payment button. This will submit your details and complete the renewal process. Once processed, you should receive a confirmation of your renewal, ensuring your access to Zoho Books continues seamlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to renew your Zoho Books subscription. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process easy and stress-free.